Are you a passionate home cook or an aspiring baker looking to elevate your culinary game? Look no further. We present to you the incredible VEVOR 600W Stand Mixer, a kitchen appliance designed to revolutionize your cooking experience and bring your recipes to new heights of perfection. The VEVOR 600W Stand Mixer is a powerful and versatile tool that combines functionality, efficiency, and style. With its robust 600-watt motor, this mixer effortlessly tackles even the toughest mixing tasks, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. From kneading dough for homemade bread to whipping up fluffy creams and batters, this mixer is your reliable ally in the kitchen. One of the standout features of the VEVOR 600W Stand Mixer is its 11 speed settings. This impressive range allows you to precisely control the mixing process, catering to the unique requirements of each recipe. Whether you need a gentle stir or an intense blend, this mixer has got you covered. Adjust the speed effortlessly using the user-friendly control panel, and watch as your ingredients transform into culinary masterpieces. Durability and stability are paramount when it comes to stand mixers, and the VEVOR 600W excels in both areas. Crafted with high-quality materials, this mixer is built to withstand the demands of a busy kitchen. The sturdy base, equipped with non-slip feet, ensures stability during operation, preventing any unnecessary mishaps. You can confidently mix your ingredients without worrying about the mixer moving or toppling over. Versatility is a key aspect of the VEVOR 600W Stand Mixer. The mixer comes with a range of attachments that cater to various culinary needs. The stainless steel mixing bowl, with its generous capacity, allows you to prepare large batches of dough or batter effortlessly. The included whisk attachment is perfect for creating light and airy mixtures, while the dough hook makes kneading dough a breeze. Additionally, the mixer features a planetary mixing action, ensuring thorough and consistent blending of ingredients. Safety is a top priority with the VEVOR 600W Stand Mixer. The mixer is equipped with a tilt-head design, making it easy to access the bowl and attachments. This feature allows you to add ingredients or switch attachments without any hassle. Furthermore, the mixer is equipped with a built-in safety function that automatically shuts off the motor when the head is lifted, preventing any accidents or injuries. In conclusion, the VEVOR 600W Stand Mixer is a game-changer for any cooking enthusiast or professional chef. Its powerful motor, versatile speed settings, and durable construction make it an indispensable tool in the kitchen. With its array of attachments and safety features, this mixer offers convenience and peace of mind. Elevate your culinary creations with the VEVOR 600W Stand Mixer and unlock a world of possibilities. Order yours today and experience the joy of effortless and precise mixing like never before. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.